Create canvas then. Add reference image. Use shape tool. For make circle. Add a layer. Pick color with color. Picker tool from reference. Image, then add color. In the circle, now add layer. For shading, pick color one by one. From the reference, image and add it to the illustration. Those who are beginners should make it by adding the reference image first. When the practice is done, then make it without adding the reference image. Now add highlights. Now add shadow. Now select the first layer line art. Apply Protect Alpha and change the color of the line art. Now merge all layers. Now duplicate this layer and apply Protect Alpha on the bottom layer and make it black. Now you will move this layer slightly downwards with the Move tool and apply Gaussian blur. Now you can also make a brush of it and use it easily. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share.